I welcome all of you once again to my class. My name is Jewel and today I am going to take the continuation of lesson 5. I am dealing with the ICSE syllabus Cordova publications. Please like, share and please subscribe to my channel if you like to hear my further chapters from this textbook. Now let's go to the lesson. Asleep, sleeping, bow, a large branch of a tree, brim, top edge, croaked, made a rough sound of frog, mossy, covered with moss, a small flowerless plant that grows in damp areas, odds, the degree to which something is likely to happen, piped, spoke in a high voice, quiet, making very little noise, scarce, only, just, almost, not, sleek, smooth and shiny, speckled, covered with small marks or spots, stir, to move slightly, streamlet, a small stream, worth, important. Now let's go to the exercise. Looking very forlorn sat a little green frog. Describe the frog and its surroundings. A little green frog sat by a quiet little stream on an old mossy log and was looking very unhappy. He had a shiny back and two bright yellow eyes. Number 2. Why was the frog feeling too lazy to move? What did the frog do out of the laziness? The sun was so hot he could rarely open his eyes, so he felt too lazy to move. He was watching for flies and was nodding and almost asleep. Number 3. You had better take care. A. Who said these words and to whom? That is, the bird said this to the frog. Why did the speaker say so? The bird said this as the frog was sleeping and he would be in the water if he would fall off the log on which he was sitting. Number 4. If you fall, you will die. Who is the speaker? To whom does the speaker say these words? The frog said this to the bird. How did the listener react to these words? The bird told the frog that he had forgotten that a bird can fly. Number 5. What do you learn from the poem, The Frog and the Bird? We need to understand the worth of people. We should not be proud of our natural strength and need to accept the advice given by our well-wishers. Number 5. What do you learn from the... Number 6. The poet uses contrast in the poem by describing the frog and the bird. What purpose does this achieve? The poet uses contrast to highlight the contrasting character traits of the frog and the bird. The frog is lazy and unscrupulous, whereas the bird is cautious and tries to warn the frog to pay attention so that he might not be swept away in the stream. The purpose of the poet here is to tell that a good advice coming from anybody should be valued and welcomed. Number 7. The main theme of a poem may not always be openly stated. You have to read, think and find what the main theme of the poem is. Is it openly stated? Give reasons to support your answer. The main theme of this poem is to understand the true worth of an individual. The main theme is not openly stated. The theme is stated indirectly in the form of story where the frog ignored the good advice given by the bird. The bird gave him the piece of advice for his own benefit. The frog is not thankful to her. Instead, he tells the bird to be careful of falling down from the branch of a tree. I hope you all understood the notes of this lesson. I will meet you in the next class. Please share this with your friends and relatives, and please if you give a thumbs up if you liked. I will see you in the next class. Until then, bye.